Okay, this is lecture 8 from chapter 4 of CFIN7. So, amortized loans. Amortized loan is a loan that is repaid in equal payments over its life. Aside from credit cards, lines of credit, and so forth, the vast majority of loans that we have are amortized loans. They're also called installment loans. Portion of the payment represents interest on the outstanding balance, and the remainder of the payment represents partial repayment of the amount borrowed or the principal. Amortization schedule shows how much each payment represents. So on the next slide, we're going to calculate the payment on a loan. So we've got a $33,000 loan, 6.5% requires 3 annual payments. So on our calculator, it's 3 in 6.5 IY, 33,000 present value, 0 future value. That tells it the calculator that you're paying the loan off. Then you compute payment, and it come out as a negative. Then your payment's going to be $12,460 per year. So let's do that on the calculator. So clear. So 3 in 6.5 IY, 33,000 PV, 0 future value, and then we compute payment, $12,460. So the amortization schedule for this loan looks like this. So we start out with a balance of $33,000. And then our interest in this case is just 6.5%. So this would be the 33,000 times 0.065. So that's $2,145. So that's your interest portion. So your principal portion is the $12,460, the payment, minus the $2,145. So we reduce the balance at the end of the year by the $10,315. We end up with a balance at the end of year 1 of $22,685, and we go on throughout the life of the loan until the loan is repaid. So we can as I mentioned before, most of your loans are monthly payments. So let's convert this to a monthly payment. So 3 years is 3 times 12, so that's 36. So 36 payments, and our rate's 6.5, so we got to make that a monthly rate. So 6.5 divided by 12. So that's 0.54, and again, I assure you that is not a round number. So that's your monthly rate. So press IY, then compute payment. So it'd be $1,011.42. So we can actually reduce our payments just slightly by making monthly payments. So if we look at that, not a whole lot less, but slightly less. So anyway, that is the end of chapter 4.